Hello everyone, welcome to our next module of Advanced Tips and Tricks to Microsoft PowerPoint. Today we're going to talk about aligning objects. Actually, this is quite the useful things when you are creating a PowerPoint that has too many objects and shapes and you need to align them in the middle or maybe in have some consistency between the spacing. Then you can use this method that I'm going to talk about. Normally what we're gonna do is that we manually adjust and align the object, and if you prefer that way then you can stay do it, but it's quite time consuming, and also like you have to adjust that manually, so that you have to be mindful about that spacing and all the other thing. But if you prefer that way, I suggest that you right click the PowerPoint background and go to the grid and guide, and make sure you are enable this function so that you will know your object position compared to the other objects. So here what I'm gonna do is I want to align this circle and this icon, and I want to align them in the middle and in the centers of the circle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna multi-select the icon and the circle here, and then we're gonna go to the shape format and then align, and make sure that your align setting is align selected objects, so that your object will not be aligned with the slide. And then you click the align and you click align middle and align center. So as you can see here, it's exactly in the center of this shapes, this circle shapes. And we're gonna do the same for this one too. Uh, Select, shape format, align, and line center, align middle, and this also this one too. Shape format, align center, align middle. So we have aligned that all the other things, the icons and the objects in the middle and then in the center. But as you can see here, there are three circles that doesn't align with each other. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna align them in the middle and in the center. But what you're gonna do is first we need to group the icon and the objects into one group, so that we can align all the icons and the objects, from top to buttons in the center and in the middle. So what we're gonna do is we need to group them into one. So uh, as you have seen the previous video, we're gonna group it. So we have to click multi-select, and then we go to the shape format groups. That is one way of doing it. I'm gonna show you another way is I'm gonna multi-select it and then Control G, one group. That is another way, and Control and Control G. Okay, what are we gonna do is we're gonna select the three objects, and we're gonna multi-select the three group, and we're gonna align them in the middle and in the center. So now we're gonna multi-select it, one, and then we go to the shape format, we go to align center, and you can see here that it is not that noticeable, but you can see that the spacing between the objects, they are quite inconsistent with each other. Like it this is narrower than this one. So what you can do here is we're gonna group them into one, and then so shape format and then grouped, we're gonna group them into one, and we're gonna align them and distribute vertically. As you can see here that there is some consistency between the objects that it's not noticeable, but if you want to be perfect about your PowerPoint, then you should be mindful about these little things. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna align them, and we're gonna distribute vertically. The movement is very small, but you can see that it moves, and then you can see the spacing between these two objects become equal because you distribute them vertically. So this is aligning the object. Now your objects are aligned vertically, and it has the same spacing between them. So, and then the next one is the text here. I will, they doesn't fit in the same line, and you want this text box align with the object. So what you can do here is you're gonna select the text box, and then you're gonna select the group, the object that you have grouped earlier, that we have grouped earlier, and then we go to the shape format, and we go to the line group, we go to the line middle. So now they have aligned with each other. And you can also do with the other things. Let me insert the text for you here. Okay, I don't know what to talk about, so I'm gonna just do the Lauren Faye things. Okay. So here also they doesn't align that way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select and select, and we're gonna go to the shape format, align, middle. Another thing that you can also do that too. So you can also do with you can also insert another text box here, and then you can type. I'm gonna just use the Lauren one, Lauren text field, because I don't know what to type. So I want to have some consistency in there. So I'm gonna multi-select it. Sorry. I'm gonna multi-select it, and then go to the shape format, align, middle. So we have aligned them perfectly in the middle, and we have aligned the object, we aligned the text box, and what we're gonna do here is let's move this to the upper top, and let's move it to the upper top. Okay, like this. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we want to align the whole thing. We want the whole thing, the whole object and text in the middle of the slides. What are you gonna do here? We will do the same thing. We're gonna select that all. Okay, let me select that all. Gonna select that all, and then we will go to. We are gonna group that, and then we will be aligned with align the middle, and that's it. Here you can see that the objects and the text, they are aligned with the object to the text, and the object and the icon, they are in the perfect aligning shapes. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you guys in the next video.